Are you looking for the best roller skates? In this video we will look at some of the 10 best roller skates on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Roller Derby Roller Star 600 Women's Roller Skates. Experience the ultimate comfort with these Roller Derby roller skates. The Freestyle Comfort Fit boot boasts a padded lining and reinforced heel support, ensuring a comfortable fit for extended periods of wear. The lace closure allows you to adjust the fit to your liking. The RTX Pro chassis enhances precision turning with its real trucks and cushions. The 56mm urethane wheels make it easy to skate on multiple surfaces, while the smooth rolling G-Force 608ZB carbon bearings will keep you gliding effortlessly. With these skates, you can skate with ease and confidence, no matter your skill level. Number 2. XUDREZ Cowhide Roller Skates. Experience stable and safe skating indoors and outdoors with XUDREZ high-top roller skates. Equipped with high bounce wheels and ABEC 5 bearings, these unisex skates are perfect for beginners and intermediate skaters. The retro high-top design and fashionable colors make you stand out on the sports ground. The shoe body is made of pool leather and has a specially designed buckle closure, safety buckle, hook and loop fastener, strong belt, and shoelace to ensure a secure fit. These skates are an ideal gift for friends and sports lovers to enjoy the fun of sports. Number 3. Skate Gear Extra Support Quad Roller Skates. Step up your skating game with Skate Gear's supportive roller skates. These classic high-top boots come with colorful laces for a pop of style. The interior PVC structure provides ample ankle support, making them perfect for beginners or those looking to improve their skills. The 54x32 wheels in soft 95A PVC material give you great grip and control on any surface. The faux leather material is both flexible and comfortable, ensuring long-lasting wear. With 7 playful styles to choose from, these skates come in adult and youth sizes, and are recommended to fit snug. If you're in between sizes, it's recommended to choose the larger of the 2 sizes. Number 4. PERZCARE Roller Skates for Women. Sparkle in the dark and feel cooler with PERZCARE shiny double row roller skates. The double row design makes it safer and more stable for beginners and those who want to easily learn roller skating. The high-top shoe-type design provides maximum protection and comfort. These roller skates are perfect for indoor ice skating and outdoor skating. The sturdy 4-flash wheels make you more charming when skating. PERZCARE roller skates are the ideal gift for children, boys, girls, boyfriends, girlfriends, or family members. Number 5. YAI Roller Skates for Women Men. Experience safer and more stable roller skating with YAI's classic double row wheels. The support column at the front ensures better control and quick braking, making it perfect for beginners and those who want to learn easily. The high-top design fits your foot shape and provides maximum protection for comfortable and safe skating. The high-quality PU wheels have higher wear resistance, shock absorption, and firm grip, ensuring a comfortable ride. The APS 7 bearing has strong carrying capacity, safety, and stability, while the wireless stitching of the sole makes the shoes more beautiful and durable. YAI roller skates make an ideal gift for girls, daughters, wives, girlfriends, or family members, and are perfect for indoor and outdoor skating. Number 6. PAPAISON Roller Skates for Women and Girls. Experience the thrill of roller skating with PAPAISON's classic roller skates for women, men, and kids. The high-top double-row design provides safety and stability, making them perfect for beginners and those learning to skate. The simple eyelet speed hook lacing system allows for easy adjustments, while the 2-layer microfiber leather offers breathable ankle support for a comfortable fit. The aluminium base plate provides stability and control, making turning and braking a breeze. These retro-style skates make an ideal gift for anyone looking to have fun indoors or outdoors. Number 7. Adjustable light-up roller skates. Rolling in the dark will be as magical as a meteor shot across the sky with SEVEN light-up adjustable roller skates. These skates come with 4-size adjustable boots, allowing your child to use them for a longer time. The one-button size adjustment feature is convenient and easy to use. All 8 wheels illuminate with colorful rainbow lights, making the skates safe to use in the dark without requiring any batteries. The reinforced aluminum frame, wheels, and speed ABEX 7 bearings ensure a smooth and confident ride. SEVEN light-up adjustable roller skates are perfect Christmas gifts for kids of all ages. Number 8. SEVEN Take a step back in time with these cute retro roller skates from C7. With a 1-inch heel and structured PVC boot, these skates provide plenty of ankle support for beginners. The 83A urethane wheels give plenty of grip on both indoor and outdoor surfaces, making them versatile for any skating experience. The 58mm diameter wheels provide more speed with every move, perfect for those looking to pick up the pace. The bright colors and patterns will make you the envy of everyone at the rink. Number 9. Chicago Women's and Girls Classic Roller Skates. Experience the joy of skating with Chicago Classic Quad Roller Skates. The traditional high-top profile ring pattern boot provides ankle support, while the easy lacing system lets you adjust the fit as you go. The aluminum base plate with double adjustable truck and chassis, jump bar and 5/8 adjustable toe stop ensures easy turning and control. The durable vinyl material boot is suitable for indoor and outdoor use. The 60mm urethane spoke core wheels with 608Z semi-precision speed bearings provide great traction and control, making it an ideal choice for beginners and seasoned skaters alike. Number 10. Getz Women's Roller Skates. Experience optimal safety and comfort with Getz high-top pull leather roller skates. The ABEX 5 bearings ensure smooth and effortless rolling, while the high-quality shoelaces provide maximum protection for your feet. The controllable high-top shoes offer the perfect fit and a high degree of comfort, making your feet feel comfortable during use. Beginners can take advantage of the support column in the front, which helps maintain control and brake quickly. The classic double-row design of the skates provides more stability and safety than straight-line roller skates, making them ideal for beginners and anyone who wants to learn roller skating easily. The sturdy and wear-resistant 4-wheel skates can provide safe and reliable skating performance, and the shiny wheels make you look cool while skating. They are perfect gifts for children, boys, girls, boyfriends, girlfriends, or family members and are ideal for indoor ice skating and outdoor skating.